Today we're going to be spying on the competition. Now, I have a portfolio of websites that I have, and this is one of them, Sofas and Love Seats. Very competitive. So today what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to do a little spying on the competition. Okay, now I'm going to break this down into 3 separate videos. We're going to spy on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Those will be the 3 videos that we'll do. We'll come in here and we'll do Facebook first, and we're going to type in sofa. Okay, now we're going to select our country. We need United States because all our competition is in the United States. Who's going to ship furniture across the world? Not very many people, not like talking about it, but let's see. I think that's all we need. Okay, now, first thing, we have Outer. I've heard of them before. Let's open this up. Let's see. Okay, here's Outer. This is their actual ad. Spend more time outside with Outer. The patented, Outer shell patented. Okay, quickly rolls out and over our memory foam cushions to protect from everyday dirt, debris, and morning dew. Spending time outside has never been easier. Okay, simple. Let's see where this actually takes us to. Wow, this is a terrible image. It's kind of blurry, and doesn't actually take you to a real product page. It kind of just takes you to this just sofas and sectionals. Usually you want to take somebody to an actual product page, but I guess not. I guess they're using a different method. Let's see something. They have Google Optimizer. Trying to see Amazon. This is all of the stuff that they have in the background of their website. Okay. Let's see. They're getting about oh God, the traffic is going. Look at this dip. Wow, this is terrible. They went from 250,000 to 100. That is terrible. But looking at this but look at their ads. This is crazy. Why would you spend money on an ad and you don't even send somebody to an actual product page? They just send you to this page. I don't know. Maybe they know. Well, and now they're losing traffic, so they don't know what they're doing. Let's see if they're any better. Let's open this up. Okay, let's look at their ad. New winter arrivals just waiting to be discovered. Shop the new drops before they're gone. Let's see what their image is. Okay, so this is the image. So this should take us. Let me see. This should take us to that image. $1,300 for a chair. Not bad. Let's see. Okay, now this is much better. Okay, now when we get here, now see guys, all of this is information that we can use. As soon as we hit the product page, as soon as we hit it, they want to get us. Okay, save 10% now. Save 10%, not later. Save it now. All you have to do, give us your email. Nothing else. We're not asking you for anything else. We're not trying to sell you anything. We're looking out for you. Okay, that's what they're doing right now. They're looking out for me. They're giving me 10% just for coming to their website. Isn't that nice of them? Come on, guys. Think about it. If this thing's $1,000 and I get 10% off, I save $100, and I was gonna spend $1,000 anyway. So, see, guys, these are the things that you want to do when you get somebody to your website. You don't want them to leave. You're spending money on this ad. You want them to stay. Now, that other ad, that was terrible. I went there. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know where to go. I was lost. Now here, look. Okay. Now here's that chair. Look, this is the same. This is a chair. Okay, that's what I was looking for. I'm looking for a chair. Okay. Now, as soon as I get here, this is nice. Okay. Different images. Okay. They ought to have quite a few images. Okay. Like 20 of them. Not bad. Let's see. Let's check out this product page. They have a firm. All of my websites, I put a firm that increases sales. See, guys, these are all of the things that these other dropshippers, they don't tell you these things. That's how you increase your sales. You want to give people options to pay. You want to hit them with the 10% off. All right, nice description. I like this the way they have it rotating around. That's nice. Let's see, the specifications, reviews. This is a nice product page, and then there's other things complement this look. So they're giving me other things to buy. Now this is well done. Now let's see something. I don't know. Klaviyo. Okay, Klaviyo. I use Klaviyo for my email marketing as well. Now Klaviyo is good, guys. If you're doing they have Yotpo for reviews. Okay, we can see everything that's on this website. They have Pinterest somewhere on here. But yeah, Klaviyo, I mean, there's a lot of autoresponders. You have GetResponse, you have Aweber, but Klaviyo is specifically designed and made for e-commerce websites. Okay, I don't see what they're actually using for this website. Normally they'll tell me, but I don't see what actual. I don't know if this is now. This is in Shopify, because with Shopify which showed up. I'm not sure what actual system they're using, but I know what they're using for email marketing. Let's see what kind of traffic they're getting. Okay, pretty good, pretty steady. It's not like those other guys. Remember those other guys? It was way up here and it took a dip like way down. These guys, they're pretty consistent. Okay, they're not a real big website, but they're getting at least 200,000 a month. Pretty good. Okay, now let's go. We'll do one more just so I don't keep you guys all day. Let's see, DFS. I'm not sure who they are. This is a Shopify store. Let's see. We can see the little Shopify. Let's see what they're doing. Let's check out the Shopify store. Ready Rocker. Okay, hottest baby registry gift here. Introducing the Ready Rocker. Finally, you can convert almost anything into almost anything. Wow, that's a big bold claim. Almost anything. Wow. Bed, sofa, chair, bench, even a tree. Wow. If you're having an outdoor picnic, we've got your back. They even have my. Oh wow, they really do have my back. Look at this. Risk free, guys. That's a big guarantee. See, guys, all of this is ad copy, and this is great. They're giving me a risk, so it costs me nothing, and they're gonna what? Look, this is even better than the last deal. 15% when I ordered today. Wow. Let's see what this Ready Rock. Oh wow, look at this big dog. And make sure they use. See, that's a big visual. They show, hey, look at this big dog sitting on this little woman's lap. That's how strong. This is a steady rocker. Look at this big, huge dog. Look at that. Big, huge dog on this little woman. That thing is very sturdy. That's what they're showing me. Let me go and let me see this Ready Rocker. I have to see this thing. What is this thing? I want to know. I'm intrigued now. Okay. Oh, okay. Brought me to the product page. Okay. Look at this. I thought they was giving me 15%. Well, they say save 10%. Okay, I don't know what happened to the 15% that was on the ad. Now I'm a little upset because now I want my 15%. Save 10% off my first order. Okay, but you told me 15. Okay, how do I close this thing? Do I have to minimize this? How do I? Oh, there it is. Okay, now here's the Ready Rocker. Okay, here's a firm. Oh, look at this, guys. I can pay as low as $18 a month. Wow. But it's only $159. Do I really need payments on that? Let me see. But it's still nice to have. Invented by first-time parents. Ready Rock is the world's first patent. Oh, this is their actual product. Okay, this isn't something that they're drop shipping from somebody else. This is their product. Okay, let's see. Now I know this is Shopify. Let's see. They have once again, we have Klaviyo. Pretty much everybody uses Klaviyo. Lucky Orange. So a Lucky Orange right now, they're spying on me while I'm spying on them. Lucky Orange, they can see everything that I'm doing on their website right now in the background. So there it is, Shopify. Okay, so while I'm spying on them, they're spying on me. They can see all of my browser, everywhere I move, everything I click, they're looking at it right now. And Lucky Orange is actually built in to Shopify. You can use it, but it's a standalone. But they have the app. Here's a firm. Okay, that's a firm right here. You can see we can see, guys, this is how you get your website in top condition. You see what most people are using, and then you start compiling a list of apps, and then you say, okay, I'll use those same apps. They're using Taboola. That's for advertising. So we know they're using Facebook ads. They're using Taboola. Guys, you see why I said that I had to break this down into separate videos? This thing's at 10 minutes already. Okay, I'm gonna hurry up because I didn't want this to be that long. But like I said, you can see this is first time parents. The Ready Rocker is the world's first patent. This is their product. I don't know how many other products they have. Let's see. This may be the only thing that they have. But I look at anything in this space as my competition. Since I'm selling chairs, sofas, and everything else in that nature, I look at all of these people as competition. Looks like they only have this one. Oh, actually, they're just selling this little piece. No, that's what they're selling. They're not actually selling any chairs or anything. They're just selling that little Ready Rocker. Huh. Now, this would be something. Now, if I was them, I would be trying to maybe reach out to some, I don't know, manufacturers, people that make sofas and chairs or whatever, and I'd try to see if I could, partner with one of them and get some more sales. I don't know, maybe. Or they even have a YouTube channel. Okay. Well, let's just check it out. Let's see what they're doing on YouTube. Okay, Ready Rock. I only have 33 subscribers, so they're not really doing a whole lot. Here's their video. They haven't done a video in a couple months. But alright, guys, you can see that this video is much longer. I would go through more, but I don't want you guys to be sitting here with me for the next 20 hours. So yeah, I'm gonna be going through this by myself, and I just wanted to show you some of the things that I do. Now, this is just Facebook, and this is just the first in a series. I'm gonna do Instagram, and I'm gonna do YouTube next. Thank you. Oh, one more thing. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, because I have a lot more different software that I'm going to be using and I'm going to be showing you live. Thank you, and I'm out.